Hello, and welcome back to my slow English podcast. This episode is for absolute beginners. Let's talk about Christmas. Shadow along with me. A couple days ago, I was thinking about what the best holiday is. There are a lot of holidays, like Christmas, New Year's, the Three Kings Day, Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Easter, Kids' Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Halloween, and Day of the Dead, and Thanksgiving. Those are the only holidays that I can think of right now. Those are the first holidays that come to mind. What is another holiday that comes to mind for you? Something you celebrate in your country? I know there are so many more holidays in the world, like Diwali, the start of Hindu New Year, Eid al-Fitr, the Islamic holiday that celebrates the end of Ramadan, a lunar year, Carnival, Holi, La Tomatina, so many holidays that I don't celebrate, but they have so much meaning. Humans celebrate everything we can. We eat, we dance, we laugh any chance we get. But to me, the best holiday is Christmas. To me, it's more about the feeling. And for me, the best feelings I get are on Christmas. I feel safe. I feel cozy. I feel warm. I feel loved. And I feel happy on Christmas. That's why my favorite holiday is Christmas. Let's practice past tense. When I was a little girl and I woke up on Christmas morning and I went downstairs to open my presents, and we ate pancakes and cereal and bacon and eggs, and then we watched a Christmas movie while playing with our new toys. That was the best. That memory brings back the warmest feeling. Christmas is not the same now, of course, but it's still very special. I love Christmas because I get to be with my family. I get to feel cozy and warm all day long. I get to watch movies all day long and all night long. In Mexico, Christmas is also very big. Christmas is also very popular. Everyone celebrates Christmas in Mexico. Do you celebrate Christmas in your country? How do you celebrate? Now, when I moved from the United States to Mexico, Christmas changed a little bit. Now we have a big dinner with my family, my aunts and cousins and grandparents. We eat turkey, potato salad, cheesy spaghetti, and warm bread. Then we drink ponche, like a sweet fruit punch at night. But my favorite Christmas food is pie. Any kind of pie. Pumpkin pie, apple pie, cherry pie, cheesecake pie, any kind of pie. What's your favorite Christmas food? I also love the Day of the Dead, but I think Christmas wins. Christmas is the winner. What is your favorite holiday? Maybe I've never heard of it. So tell me why you celebrate that holiday, how you celebrate that holiday, and where. This was a little challenge for my absolute beginner listeners. But with my hand gestures and pictures, I hope you were able to understand it all. If you didn't, let me know what new word you learned today. See you next time. Bye.